In this first unsettling Ring doorbell recording, two individuals are seen boldly entering a private yard in broad daylight, completely disregarding boundaries. Their intentions are anything but innocent as they set their sights on an electric bike left outside. With calculated movements, they make their way toward the bike, working quickly to steal it before anyone can intervene. Within moments, their plan is complete, and they flee the scene, leaving behind nothing but the eerie realization of how easily crimes like this can unfold, even in broad daylight. In this alarming Ring doorbell capture, a peaceful evening walk takes a terrifying turn when a woman strolling with her German Shepherd suddenly loses control. In an unexpected and aggressive moment, the large dog lunges at another woman's small pet, turning what seemed like an ordinary outing into a chaotic struggle. As the startled owner tries desperately to regain control, panic unfolds, leaving everyone involved shaken by the sudden and distressing attack.
Tell me shit, you didn't even see it. No, what person are you? Come on, what? Bitch, please. What, bitch? Come say that shit over here, bitch. I'm a dog and then come say it. Put your dog and then come say that shit back over here. I'm talking, put your dog out there. Show me that. Let me see it.
In this brazen Ring doorbell surveillance, two individuals set their sights on a luxury car parked in a residential driveway. Under the cover of night, they move with deliberate intent, wasting no time before beginning their act of destruction. With no regard for the owner's property, they vandalize the vehicle, leaving behind a trail of damage. In this startling Ring doorbell scene, an unexpected intruder leaps into a family's yard, a strange dog with unknown intentions. Within seconds, the homeowner's loyal dogs spring into action, fiercely defending their territory.
What the hell was that?
A tense standoff unfolds as barks echo through the air, turning the once quiet home into a battleground. What follows is a dramatic clash of instincts, as the household pets refuse to back down, proving their unwavering dedication to protecting their home. In this suspicious Ring doorbell recording, an unidentified man approaches a homeowner's door with unclear intentions. Before making his way to the entrance, he hesitates, first heading toward another door as if scouting the area. As he finally steps closer to the main door, his presence does not go unnoticed. The homeowner, sensing something off, immediately confronts him.
Wrong door?
Ricky?
No.
Oh.
Wrong door. Wrong door, I'm sorry.
Caught off guard, the man quickly abandons his approach and leaves, vanishing just as mysteriously as he arrived. Viewers, we hope you have been enjoying this video. We produce videos like this on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing to our channel and dropping a comment down below for more eye-opening content. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a group of individuals pulls up in a car under the cover of darkness, but their visit is far from festive. With no regard for the homeowner's holiday spirit, they set their sights on the Christmas decorations, tearing them apart and causing senseless destruction. Ornaments are smashed, lights are ripped down, and the once cheerful display is left in ruins. Within moments, they flee the scene, leaving behind nothing but a trail of wreckage and a reminder of how quickly joy can turn into chaos. In this tense Ring doorbell surveillance, a man casually walks up to a homeowner's doorstep, holding a cup in one hand, but hiding something far more alarming in his waistband. As he rings the doorbell, the homeowner responds, unaware of the potential danger lurking just outside. Moments later, the man realizes he's at the wrong house.
Got my door.
Is this? I'm sorry, I think I might have the wrong door. Sorry about that.
With an abrupt change in demeanor, he quickly turns and leaves, vanishing just as swiftly as he arrived. A chilling reminder of how a simple mistake can carry an unsettling sense of unease. In this disturbing Ring doorbell capture, an elderly woman is seen repeatedly harassing a homeowner, turning a simple request into a relentless vendetta. It all began when she was asked to leave the front yard, but instead of complying, she returned, again and again, growing more aggressive each time. For 5 days straight, she has caused trouble, escalating from verbal confrontations to outright vandalism. Smashing objects, damaging property, and refusing to back down, her actions turn the homeowner's peaceful residence into a place of constant tension and unease. In this bold Ring doorbell footage, a man spots a package sitting just beyond a black gate and seizes an opportunity to steal. Without hesitation, he reaches his hand through the narrow bars, struggling to grasp the parcel on the other side. With determination, he maneuvers the package closer, finally pulling it through. Within seconds, he snatches his stolen prize and quickly vanishes, leaving behind yet another victim of doorstep theft. In this bizarre Ring doorbell footage, a man approaches a home and brazenly snatches a jacket left outside. Just as he prepares to leave, the homeowner catches him in the act and immediately confronts him.
Put my motherfucking jacket down. What you doing in my house? I'm gonna let my dog out of your. Let me call my sister. Hold on. Bro, get away from my motherfucking house, bro.
Hey, you can hear me? I was
I don't have nothing right now, bro. Don't just come on my porch like that.
Instead of fleeing, the intruder unexpectedly makes a bold demand, asking for more clothes. A tense exchange follows before he finally decides to walk away, leaving behind an unsettling encounter that raises more questions than answers. In this devious Ring doorbell capture, two women arrive at a home with a suspicious plan in motion. While one engages the unsuspecting grandmother in conversation outside, the other quietly sneaks into the house, likely searching for something to steal. However, their scheme doesn't go as planned. Just as they think they're in the clear, the grandmother's sharp-eyed granddaughter catches them in the act, recording everything on camera.
Excuse me!
Hey, get out of there.
Excuse me!
What do you want?
Somebody went in the house. Get out! Get out now!
We've already called the cops. They're on their way.
Oh my God! Look at this. Just left it. Oh my God! Hey! Get out now! The cops are on their way. That was my mom that went in. Let's see, there was 3 of them. Where are they? Did they go in the house? I don't know.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.